Starting a business is expensive. Hiring alone eats up a lot of resources. But what if you could cover all bases with 12 AI employees who could manage your social media, emails, and entire projects at a fraction of the usual cost? With Sintra, you can already do this. And with my Sintra AI promo code, you'll save even more money. So copy it from the description below and apply this Sintra AI deal at the checkout. It'll cut the price by more than half. And if you'd like a quick Sintra AI demo, here we go. So my favorite Sintra AI assistant is Soshie because, let's face it, who wants to deal with scheduling and posting on social platforms like LinkedIn? You're right, nobody. So Soshie helped me and a couple of teammates create and post weekly posts there, including both texts and images. LinkedIn is only one example though. There are integrations with media apps like Instagram and Facebook as well, so no worries if you're not an avid LinkedIn user. But Soshie is just one of the 12 AI employees. For business owners, Cassie, the customer support specialist, is a fantastic addition. She can craft human-like responses, update product manuals, and compile FAQs, all while keeping your brand's feel and tone of voice. So we tested Cassie in real-world scenarios, and our consensus is that Cassie is great for handling all sorts of inquiries. But for more complicated ones, a human touch is still needed. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, what we've also tested extensively is Dexter. That's a dedicated data analyst for your project. So thanks to him, we kissed manual spreadsheets just goodbye altogether. We deal with data all the time, and Dexter really did make it significantly easier by pulling it, calculating costs and budgets instantly, ensuring that everything's on track, which, trust me, we appreciated a lot. Now, I quickly skimmed through only 3 employees in this short Sintra AI review, but there's 9 more to discover. So with my Sintra AI promo code on screen, you can get started at the lowest possible price. So copy the Sintra AI discount from the description, apply it at the checkout, and just break the never-ending cycle of boring tasks and focus on growing your business instead, because that's what really matters, right? All right, that's it for me today. Bye.